Minfos Promotion Maintenance allows you to export promotion files containing the name of the promotion, run dates, and the promotion products to share with another pharmacy that uses Minfos. From the Promotions module, click the Promotions Maintenance icon. In the Inquiry section, select Current if the promotion you want to export is currently running in your store, New if the promotion has not started yet, or Complete if the promotion has finished. Then click Next. In the Promotion Inquiry window, select the promotion file you wish to export, then click Export. In the Promotion Maintenance Export File window, click Open. In the Save As window, take note of the file path and enter a file name with a .xml extension. Then click Save. The file path and name are displayed in the Export Promotion field. Click Export. The promotion will be exported to the specified location, ready for you to email to another pharmacy if required. Click Cancel to return to the Promotions module. For further information about promotions in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.